FARINA binti JAWAD. My matrix number is 08DJK19F2202.
Process of cleaning air conditioner filter. Before we start, what is the importance of cleaning air conditioner filters? Clogged filters are one of the common causes of major malfunction in air conditioner system. A dirty filter will allow less air to pass through, hence the bad airflow. This situation will cause the fans to work harder, increasing the energy consumption and slowly damaging your air conditioner system. As a result, we might still feel hot and the temperature of our surrounding is still high even after turning on the air conditioner. Without wasting more time, let's go to the first step. Before that, don't forget to turn off the main switch.
Firstly, the lid of the air conditioner is open. Secondly, the AC filter is taken out. Thirdly, the filter is washed using water spray.
Be careful not to tear or damage the filter while cleaning it. Fourthly, the filter is left to dry. The next step is the filter is put back into its place. Check if the filter is installed correctly to prevent malfunction.
Lastly, the lid of the air conditioner is closed.
In conclusion, cleaning an air conditioner filter is a very simple and easy process and should be done frequently to prevent health problems and sustain a better environment and life for us.